Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello student, how are you? I hope you are fine too. Welcome to our study English together. Now we will discuss about procedure. Do you know procedure? Yes, that's right. Procedure is text which tell us about how to make something with sequence, step, and method. Structure of the text, goal, material, and step. Okay, remember our student. The structure of the text, one, goal, material, and step. Goal is usually we know about title. Okay, student. For more clear about the explanation above, let's see the example on the video about procedure. Check it out now. Okay, student, besides how to make something, we can use procedure text also for telling how to operate something, such as this example.
How to start a computer. Hi friends. To work on a computer, you have to start a computer. To start a computer, you have to follow some steps. Step 1. Switch on the main power supply button. Step 2. Switch on the UPS button. Step 3. Switch on the power supply button of the CPU. Step 4. Switch on the monitor button, and wait for some time. You will find a welcome screen of Windows. Windows is an operating system. It is a user-friendly software. The first screen that appears on starting a computer is known as the desktop. The desktop has many small pictures, known as the icons. The thin bar at the bottom of the desktop is called the taskbar. How to shut down a computer. After your work is finished, you should always shut down the computer. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Click on the Power button. Step 3. Click on the Shutdown option, and wait for some time, till the computer turns off automatically. Step 4. Then switch off the Monitor button. Step 5. Switch off the UPS button. Step 6. Switch off the main power supply button. Switching off the main power supply button directly, without shutting down the computer, can harm the computer.
think that's all about the lesson. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi